A recent leak revealed that the S24 Ultra will have a feature called nightography zoom. It should help you to take clear pictures from a distance in low light. That was the biggest weak point of Samsung's telephoto camera. They use very small sensors for the 3x and especially the 10x camera that you cannot get usable photos in 10x in night. They just crop from the main camera sensor. There's one more feature that is coming in the S24 Ultra that is already common in Asus, OnePlus and even Sony phones. That will be 4K recording at 120 frames per second. Word has come from reliable leaks ICE Universe, who said that S24 Ultra will have a seamless zoom at 4K 60. That is a feature that Google Pixel, Apple and many other phones have. You can zoom between the lenses at 4K 60. At the moment, Samsung can zoom between 4K 30 between all the lenses including the front lens. The tipster claims a 4K at the rate of 120 frames per second video functionality is in the testing phase and may not be preserved in the end. The rumored S24 Ultra camera sensors at the back are 4. One is the upgraded 200 megapixel primary sensor, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel 3x telephoto camera and a 50 megapixel 5x optical zoom periscope camera. The primary camera should be able to record 4K at 120 frames per second and the other cameras will support it by getting 4K 60 seamless zoom.